Hello student, welcome to my channel Question Hub. ଆମେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଦୁଇଟି କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ 15 ମିନିଟ୍ରେ 60 କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରିଥିଲେ। ଆଜି 15 ମିନିଟ୍ରେ 70 କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରିବା। ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଇୟର୍ ଆର୍ଆଇ ଏଆର୍ଆଇ ଅମିନ୍ ଏସ୍ଏଫ୍ଏସ୍ର PYQ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା। Which town in Odisha is popularly known as the city of black diamond due to its extensive coal mining activities? ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ ତାଳଚେର। Which of the following significant economic challenge for India during the late 1980s? ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ rising fiscal deficits and external debt. The book 12th Wife was written by which of the following author? ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ ହିନ୍ଦୁ ସୁଦର୍ଶନ। ହିନ୍ଦୁ ସୁଦର୍ଶନ। What is the time period of the moderate phase in the history of the Indian National Congress? Indian National Congress रे moderate phase ର time period ଟା କେତେ ଥିଲା ନା 1885 to 1905. Which of the following is the only major port in Odisha developed primarily for large scale iron ore export? ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ ପାରାଦୀପ port. Which of the following union territories has its own chief minister and council of ministers? ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ ଜାମ୍ମୁ ଆଣ୍ଡ କାଶ୍ମୀର। ଜାମ୍ମୁ କାଶ୍ମୀର। Who prepares the Panchayat Development Plan? Panchayat Development prepared by Gram Sabha. Next question. Who among the following founded Bharat Mata Society? ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ ଲାଲା ଲାଜପତ ରାୟ। ଭାରତ ମାତା ସୋସାଇଟି ଲାଲା ଲାଜପତ ରାୟ। Why do hill stations like Simla and Darjeeling have cooler temperature than the plains? Because they are located in higher altitude. ସେମାନେ ଉଞ୍ଚା ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି। Members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people of India. Lok Sabha member directly people of India द्वारा elected हुअନ୍ତି। Which language is most widely spoken in India according to the census 2011? ना हिंदी। हिंदी बेसी जगह रे लोक कुहନ୍ତି। Which organization developed the Infocity Special Economic Zone (SEZ) at Chandaga, Bhubaneswar? ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ ନା ଇଡ୍କୋ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କୋଅପରେସନ ଓଡ଼ିଶା। Which of the following is not an explicit component of human development explained by UNDP? ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ empowerment. Empowerment. The DPSP Directive Principles of State Policy are non-justiciable but fundamental for governance and aimed at establishing what kind of state? Here, सठिक उत्तरटी ହେବ welfare state. The Pratna Samaj, which emphasized personal devotion to God and social reform, was founded in Bombay under whose leadership? यार सठिक उत्तरटी ହେବ आत्माराम पांडुरंग। आत्माराम पांडुरंग leadership ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା। In which present day state is Rakhigai city of the Harappan civilization located? ଏବେ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି present day ରେ ରାଖିଗ୍ରାଇ ଟା? ନା ରାଖିଗ୍ରାଇ ଏବେ ଅଛି ହରିୟାଣାରେ। ହରିୟାଣା। In which of the following forts was Sher Shah Suri killed in 1545? यार सटीक उत्तर है शेर शाह सूरी कालिंजर फोर्ट। In which year did India first introduce overseas citizenship scheme? India overseas citizen 2005 मसीहा। Name of the leader of the historic Paik revolt who protested against heavy taxation, illegal encroachments on tax-free lands, restriction on salt imposed by British rule? यार सठिक उत्तरटी ହେବ ନା ବକ୍ସି ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ। ବକ୍ସି ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ। What is the name of the weed that grows in canals and affects water bodies in the Thar desert? यार सठिक उत्तरटी ହେବ water hyacinth. Which reform was implemented in India to improve transparency and governance in public sector enterprises, and what mechanism was introduced to achieve it? यार सठिक उत्तरटी ହେବ ना corporate governance guideline implementation, performance monitoring and evaluation systems. The book The Wonder That Was India written by Arthur Llewellyn Bassam. In which of the following years did the Bhil rebellion begin in Udaipur? Bhil rebellion Udaipur रे केबे हेतला? The Bhil rebellion 1826. 1826. What is the Main function of the parliamentary committee in India. Parliamentary committee ର main function କ'ଣ? To assist parliament in detailed scrutiny bills, budget and policies. Option 2 ଏହାର ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର। Which of the following rivers has its source inside Odisha? ନା ବୈତରଣୀ। ବୈତରଣୀର inside ୟା source ଟା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଭିତରେ ଅଛି। During which region of the following Gupta leaders did the Chinese Buddhist pilgrim Fa Hin visit India? Fa Hin କାହା ଟାଇମରେ ଆସିଥିଲେ? ନା ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ। ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ। India is founding the member of which of the following organization? ନା India World Bank ର ବି founding member, GATT ର ବି, WTO ର ବି। A, B and C. A, B and C. In which of the following states did Chuar revolution take place? Chuar revolution କୋଉଠି take place ହେଇଥିଲା? ନା Chuar revolution West Bengal. Option 4. Consider the following statement and select the correct option with regard to tropical evergreen forest. Statement ହେଲା first କ'ଣ? ନା these forests are restricted to heavy rainfall areas of the Western Ghat, the island of groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar, the upper parts of Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. ତାପରେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଦେଲା ଏଇଟା ଠିକ ଅଛି। ସେକେଣ୍ଡଟା କହିଲା କି some of the commercially important trees of the forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona. ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର। ତ ଦିଟାକ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ତ both 1 and 2 are correct. Which physiographic divisions of India to the Indo-Gangetic plains belong to out of the 5 major ones? यार सटीक उत्तर होगा Great Plains or Northern Plains. In which state is the Sariska Tiger Reserve located? Sariska Tiger Reserve located in Rajasthan. Sariska, Rajasthan. Next question. What does devolution of powers mean in the context of municipalities? The municipalities devolution of power means giving power to local body. Local body को power give देवा. Tansen is associated with which of the following styles of Hindustani music? ना Tansen associated with Drupad. The DPSP related directive principle related to equal pay for equal work are applicable which group? Na both men and women. Which river flows parallel to the Indus about 400 km before entering India? यार सटीक उत्तर देवा सतलुज। Which session of the Indian National Congress last saw a president who was not of Indian origin? Na Allahabad session 1888. Which of the following correctly describes the role of the Advocate General of a state? यार सटीक उत्तर होगा he is responsible for advising the governor of the legal matters. Which geologist proposed that the Indo-Gangetic plain was formed in a pore dip created by Himalayan crust waves? यार सटीक उत्तर होगा Edward Swiss. Fundamental duties introduced by 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution reflect an attempt to balance aspects of the Indian constitutional framework. Right answer will be option 3. Ensure that citizens also contribute positively to the nation, not just claim rights. India followed the fixed exchange rate system till 1993. 1993. Which significant movement was led by the prominent Muslim social reformer Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875? और सटीक उत्तर देवा अलीगढ़ movement. Kurnool, an upper Paleolithic site, is located in present-day which Indian state? Kurnool ta na Andhra Pradesh. In which year did the Khurda rebellion erupt in Odisha due to the British government's imposition of land revenue on the Tigers who were formerly tax exempt? 1817. Which of the following was the most severe structural weakness of the Indian economy at the time of independence? सटीक आंसर देवा heavy dependence on agriculture and low productivity. What is the shape of the peninsular plateau when viewed on the map? Peninsular plateau shape टा केमी जेतले मैप रे देखा जाए ना ट्रायंगुलर भड़ा देखा जाए एमती हमर जो peninsular plateau हमर जो भारत मानचित्र तीन दिनछि एटा ट्रायंगुलर shape देखाउ से then when did the ban on sati practice take place in British India? Sati practice टा ना 1829 रे. Which of the following best explains why southern India is warmer than northern India? Southern India is warmer than northern India because it lies close to the equator. Southern India टा equator ठू बहुत पाखरे अछि. What is the meaning of Ittu Thogai in Sangam literature? Ittu Thogai in Sangam literature means 8 anthologies. Who among the following was the leader of Paik rebellion? Paralkot rebellion. किए leader थला Paralkot rebellion है ना Gand Singh. Which of the following bats primarily found in the Thar region of the Rajasthan in the state bird of Rajasthan classified critically endangered na Great Indian Bustard? Great Indian Bustard. Which of the following rivers is called the Ganga of Ganjam district in Odisha? The Ganga of Ganjam district na Ganjam district ଦେଇ ଋଷିକୂଲ୍ୟ ଯାଇଛି ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ଗଙ୍ଗା of ଓଡ଼ିଶା କହନ୍ତି ଗଞ୍ଜାମରେ. The implementation of DPSP Directive Principles of Test Policy primarily responsibility of which level of government in India? ତାର ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେବ state government. State government. As per Constitution of India, which list gives powers only to the state governments? यार सठिक उत्तरटी ହେବ state list. Sorry, ଟିକେ ଗଲତି है ପିଡିଏଫଟା କେତେ ନମ୍ବର क्वेश्चन ଆମେ ଥିଲେ 53 ସରିଥିଲା ତ 54 କୁ ଯିବା. The Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey. Sorry. The Battle of Plassey in 1787 marked the beginning of the British political supremacy in which region? यार सठिक उत्तरटी ହେବ ना बेंगल region रे. ଟିକେ ବଢେଇଦେବା ମାର୍କରଟାକୁ. Sorry for my inconvenience. The Startup in India initiative aims to Startup in India initiative ର aims କ'ଣ? ନା aims ହେଉଛି encourage entrepreneurship and innovation. India joined the World Trade Organization in the year. India World Trade Organization କେବେ? 1995 ରେ. India World Trade Organization 1995 ରେ. What is the literal meaning of the Nur Sifur? A poem written by Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro जो नूर सिफर ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା ତାର ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ? ନା ନୂର ସିଫର ମାନେ 9 heavens. Nur Sifur ମାନେ 9 heavens. Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated the Marathas in which famous 1761 battle? 1761 ମସିହାରେ କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଟଲରେ ହରାଇଥିଲେ? The Battle of Panipat. The first Battle of Panipat. The special officer for linguistic minorities appointed under which article? Article 350B. Article 350B. The first Congress session in a rural area was held at Faizpur, rural area. Faizpur rural area. Who emerged as the principal leader of the Barley uprising of 1816, guiding both Muslim and Hindu communities in protest? यार सठिक आंसर ହେବ मुफ्ती मोहम्मद आवाज. मुफ्ती मोहम्मद आवाज. The person appointed to be judge of the Supreme Court shall make and subscribe before the dash and oath. यार सठिक आंसर ହେବ president. The Wainganga and Penganga rivers are tributaries of Wainganga, Penganga kaha tributary na Godavari. A company that owns or controls production in more than one nation is called. यार सठिक आंसर देवा multinational company. One nation or the multinational. Which United Nations conference popularized the concept of sustainable development global in 1992? यार सठिक आंसर देवा UN Conference on Environment and Development. Next question. The Thar Desert is primarily located in which Indian state? Thar Desert, Rajasthan. Which part of the Indian Constitution mentions tribunals? Na part XIVA. Tribunal mention kara ଯାଇଛି. The eastern boundary of the Indo-Gangetic Plains is marked by which hill range? There is सठिक आंसर देवा पूर्वांचल hills. The Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act 1919 allowed political prisoners to be detained without trial or judicial review for up to how many years? That is सठिक आंसर देवा 2 years. Last question. Azira. Fundamental rights is available to both citizens of India and foreigners. Na right to equality before law. आज सठिक क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन सर तो भिडियोटी केमती लगे मत कमेंट माध्यम जनइबे आदि भल लगी भिडियोटी तो लाइक करेंगे शेयर करेंगे और सांग मानक शेयर करेंगे और फॉलो करा कहे तो सब्सक्राइब करूँ आ मत आगे जावाक गोटे सुजोग दिंतु तो ये धन्यवाद।